Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel, and many of my subscribers have been asking for this video. I'm going to be showing you how to get cap breakers in NBA 2K26. This uses a locker code and it's going to obtain all 28 cap breakers for free. And this literally takes a few minutes, guys. This is by far the fastest method to get cap breakers in 2K26. Before I show you guys where to go to get this locker code, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always making new tutorials and finding new methods to improve your 2K26 experience. So let's get into the video and show you guys how to get all cap breakers in NBA 2K26. So guys, like I said, this uses a locker code, so you're going to want to grab your mobile phone for this. Now, I know you probably play on a console or PC, but just grab your mobile to get your locker code, and then you can redeem it on whatever platform you play on. So use your mobile phone internet and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So spell it like this, COLDCOUPONS. Hopefully you can spell. And it's going to bring you to this codes website. Now, I've used these previously for other things. I've actually used them in previous years for the 2K24 and 2K25. But they actually have some new locker codes available. So I'm just going to use the search bar and search for NBA 2K26. This is the codes page, guys. This is a pretty popular method to get cap breakers. Now, this is going to get you all 28 of them. And if you know how hard these are to obtain, this is going to save you so much time. And to be honest, guys, I don't think all 28 are currently available just by grinding the game. This is the only method that actually works. And this is a code, guys, that you just redeem in the code locker code redemption field. Hopefully you know where it is, but it is in the menu. I'll put it on the screen somewhere throughout this video so you know where to go. Yeah, so essentially you need to reveal your full code. Now, these are unique to each person, so you can only do this once, and these codes are limited. So this basically prevents people from stealing the codes. To get like hundreds of cap breakers, you can only do this once to get 28. So click on get full code, and it's going to bring you to this page here, and it's pretty easy. This just tells you what to do to unlock your 2K26 locker code. So basically, guys, long story short, you need to complete 2 of the tasks that you see on this screen. They're all completely free. They will take about 5 minutes, which I know can be annoying, but I think it's worth it considering what you get. But yeah, these are really easy things. Like this one at the bottom is a good example. I've already done this, so I'm just going to show you an example and then skip through it. It says download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. So this is like a mobile app where you just download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. As you can see, it's a highly rated app. It's pretty popular. And open it for 30 seconds and that one will be done. This one's just got to start a free trial. This one, you got to follow the instructions on the next screen. So they're all really easy. Just complete 2 of them, and once you do that, it will reveal your full locker code. So it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons. And once you have your code revealed, guys, you redeem it in game. And in this case, it's going to get you all cap breakers for free. So that is it, guys. Super easy. That is how to get all cap breakers in 2K26. So head on over to Cold Coupons. If you have any questions or need any help getting your locker code, let me know. Hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.